What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to check who viewed my Facebook profile. So let me show you the information we need to tell you regarding this problem. So as you can see, Facebook doesn't allow users to track who has viewed their profile, and third-party apps claiming to offer this functionality. They're like scams. So there's a breakdown of why and what you can do instead. So there is no tracking feature. Facebook has explicitly stated that they do not provide a feature to see who has viewed a user's profile. This lack of tracking concerns is intentional and designed to protect the privacy of users and prevent the potential stalking or unwanted attention. Any app claiming to show you who viewed your profile is likely fake and could be used to steal your information. And instead of focusing on what or who may have viewed your profile, you can focus on the interactions you have with others, such as friend requests, posts, comments, and reactions. You can see who has viewed your Facebook story by tapping on your story in the story section and then tapping on the bottom left any photo or video in your story. So as you got to know that Facebook doesn't allow you to know who viewed your Facebook profile, and any third-party app that claims to let you know are fake. So please don't fall into these sort of scams. And yeah, this is what we needed to share with you. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.